In order to lock apps and set up a password for chosen apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. In the Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Security and Privacy. Now over here, scroll down again and go to More Security Settings, and here we need to choose Secure Folder. Press Continue twice. Now wait a couple of seconds until the secure folder is created. And there we go. Now we need to press Done, and we need to choose the password type for our secure folder, which will be used for all locked apps. So let's say I'm gonna choose a simple PIN code. There we go. And then we can also allow to use the Samsung account in order to reset the password in case we lose it. So if you do have Samsung account, then you can of course choose to allow, but of course we don't have to. We can press Don't Allow. Then let's press OK. We can also enable and disable biometrics here. And once we are done with the setup, we can press Next. So in my case, I need to enter the password. And there we go. We have the secure folder. And what I can tell you, first thing that you need to do is tap on these three dots here and go to Settings. And I can recommend you enabling auto lock for secure folder whenever you leave the app, so that the password has to be entered every time you close the app and if you try to re-enter it. Unless, of course, you prefer a different way. Then, of course, feel free to change it over here. Besides that, in order to add apps and lock them, we need to press this plus button, and here we can choose apps that should be locked. So let's say I'm gonna choose Facebook, Spotify, and WhatsApp, and then we can press Add. And there we go. We have created a copies of these apps that are now locked behind the password. Now, we also have these apps still in the home screen or the app drawer, and there is no password required for them. However, if you decide to, for instance, hide the main apps through the settings, then you will find only these secured versions here. You can also press and hold your finger on the app, and then you can add it to the home screen, like so. Then we can press Add. And by doing so, now we have the secured Facebook app over here. As you can see, we need to enter the password in order to access it, but we still also have the main app over here. So if you want to hide the main app in order to, I don't know, like not give access to it, then we need to go back. And we're gonna go to the home screen, and here we need to choose Hide Apps on Home and Apps Screen. And here, for instance, if I select these apps, so like Facebook and Spotify and WhatsApp, then these apps will be gone from the app screen as well as the home screen. But these the secured versions will still be there. So this is how we can lock apps. You can also just go to the secure folder itself in order to get access to all these apps, and this is how we can create passwords for them. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!